In the silent darkness of deep space, where light from distant stars fades into nothingness, something unexpected is moving toward us. An object not born in our solar system, not shaped by our sun, not belonging to any world we know. It drifts through the void like a messenger from an unknown place, crossing billions of miles before humanity ever knew it existed. And when it finally reached us, scientists realized they were looking at something impossible, something that should not exist. Something interstellar. The story begins with the very first visitor we ever detected, an object named ʻOumuamua. In 2017, telescopes recorded a cigar-shaped body entering our solar system at a speed that no comet or asteroid from this system could ever achieve. It moved with a strange wobble, accelerating slightly without any visible gas or dust. Comets accelerate when sunlight pushes vapor off their surface, but ʻOumuamua had no tail, no vapor, no signs of melting. Yet it sped up anyway, as if pushed by some invisible force. Astronomers around the world stared at the data and asked the same question. What is this thing? Some argued it was a natural shard, a fragment ripped from an ancient planet around another star. Others whispered the possibility that shocked the world. Could an object with no tail, no dust, no melting, and a strange acceleration be artificial? Could it be a thin light sail created by an advanced civilization using the radiation of stars to travel between worlds? Before the world could fully absorb the mystery, another visitor arrived. In 2019, Borisov entered the solar system, screaming through space with the unmistakable look of a classic comet. Unlike ʻOumuamua, this one had a tail, a coma, and all the characteristics astronomers expected. But even Borisov was different. It was more pristine, more untouched than any comet ever seen. It held exotic ices and chemicals not found in our solar system, a frozen message from a star far beyond our own. It proved without doubt that objects from other solar systems do travel through ours. And if two arrived within just a few years, how many have passed unnoticed across human history? But then came the third visitor, the first Atlas. And this one was stranger than all the rest. When scientists first observed it, they assumed it was a comet. But as more telescopes locked onto its form, the details stopped making sense. Its jets, the streams of gas usually blasted out by spinning comets, behaved in a way no one had ever seen. They were razor-straight, perfectly aligned for millions of kilometers, and completely unaffected by the object's rotation. According to comet physics, this is impossible. A spinning comet should twist its jets into spirals or curves. They should bend, blur, and scatter. But 3I Atlas held its jets perfectly straight for distances so large they defied logic, as if something was controlling them, something stabilizing them, something unnatural. Astronomers checked the data again and again. The jets refused to behave like comet jets. They behaved almost like beams. That was when a new question entered the discussion. If ʻOumuamua was too strange to be a rock and 3I Atlas was too precise to be a simple comet, then what exactly is entering our solar system? Are these objects natural wanderers, broken pieces of distant planets, or something designed, something engineered, something sent? The mystery deepened when scientists tracked the paths of these interstellar objects. They were not random. Each followed a hyperbolic trajectory, meaning they were not just passing through, but being thrown into our solar system from somewhere out there in the galaxy, carrying information from distant worlds, carrying matter never before seen by human eyes. And that raises the most important question of all. What do these visitors mean for Earth? Every interstellar object tells a story. They carry dust, chemical signatures, and structural clues that reveal how other solar systems are built. By studying them, we learn what planets around other stars are made of, whether water and organic molecules are common or rare, whether our solar system is unique or one of many. Each visitor is a time capsule traveling for millions of years through interstellar darkness before arriving here. For scientists, this is priceless. It is the closest we may ever come to touching another solar system with our own hands. But there is another side to the story, the unsettling side. If 3 interstellar objects reached us in such a short time, how many more are on the way? Could one be massive? Could one be hazardous? Could an object traveling at incredible speed pose a threat before we even see it coming? And if some future visitor behaves even more strangely than the last, will we finally have to confront the possibility that we are not alone in this galaxy? The universe is ancient and vast beyond imagination. Civilizations, if they exist, may be millions of years older than ours. They may send probes drifting through space for eons, exploring star after star, just as we dream of doing one day. If even one of these visitors is artificial, if even one shows signs of design, then everything we know about life in the universe will change forever. As we watch 3i Atlas glide across the night sky, scientists wait for every tiny clue, every particle, every flicker of light. They study ʻOumuamua's strange motion still unanswered. They analyze Borisov's alien ices still unmatched. And they prepare for the day when the next interstellar object appears on our telescopes, perhaps stranger than all the rest. Because these visitors will keep coming. Silent travelers from worlds beyond our imagination. Everyone carrying secrets. Everyone rewriting the rules. Everyone reminding us how little we truly know. And as humanity looks up into the dark sky, one question echoes louder than all the others. What else is out there? And is it coming this way?